Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel Salsa and Bachata Lessons. My name is Alexandros, with me is Andrea, and today we're going to be going for salsa. What are we going to be doing? 5 video series of my top 5 favorite salsa moves. Let's go with this first one. Okay, this one is a very easy one, but I chose this one to be my first one because I use it so often it just looks quite complicated, which is not. It's very simple. We're gonna do an open break, turn the lady in chufla on 3 next to us, and walk backwards on 5, 6, rotate the left hand, and throw it behind on 1, 2, 3, you catch behind. How do we get out of this one? I'll show you in a second. Notice behind what's happening. We're here on 7. I'm throwing the hand, not pushing around, but actually just pushing it outwards, and 1, 2, 3. Here's my left hand and the lady's right hand. Let's go from the hand throw, and 1, 2, catch on 3. Now the lady does progressional turns. Let's do that step by step. Lower both hands down, start lifting up so the lady feels comfortable, and open them when you finish so the lady gets balance. It's like magic. There's a second version, stick around. Before the second version, let's see also how we can roll the lady with a little bit more advance. Counting 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. We turn the lady on 6 so she has a more acceleration. So if the salsa is romantica, the first version is better. This one is better for some more upbeat salsa dancing. We're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, watch now, 5, 6, leaving the left hand on the lady's neck. Don't choke her. As she goes back, we're gonna put this right hand, her left hand on top. 1, 2, spread into an opening. 5, 6, the guys can turn as well. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, música.